Hello everyone, this is Shogao and this is Econ 3410 for Brooklyn College students, and the course is called Mathematical Economics. So in this video, I'll go over the syllabus quickly. First is my email. I don't have the Brooklyn College email, so just email me at the graduate center email. And for the office hours, my office hour is every Thursday from 11 to 12 p.m. right in the morning on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So I'll tell you how to get access to this thing, right? So if you want to find me, if you want to meet me live at this time, so first you can go to your Blackboard. This is the course page of our Blackboard, and here on the menu, there's a Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. I've already made the link for you. So click on that, and you have entered this course room here. So we don't have any sessions, right? Because we don't have live classes. So we don't have any sessions, but there's a course room here, right? It says unlocked and available. So you first go to the BCU here, and then you click on the course room. Click, and then it says join course room, and you click on that, join course room. Okay. After you join the course room, and you wait for several minutes, and then it says you have already here joined the session. So currently in this course room, there's only me here, right? You are the only one in the room, and I will be waiting for you every Thursday from 11 to 12. And I will be live on this room. And if you have any questions, you can join the room also, and you can ask me the questions there. Okay, so this is my office hour. And next is the key thing is our textbook. Right, our textbook is the same name with our course name. So it's also called Fundamental Methods of Mathematical Economics. So is this one. I've downloaded the PDF version of the book. It's a 4th edition, and I will follow this book closely. And there are 20 chapters, but I think I will just finish the first 10, right? Since we don't have much time. I will start from the chapter 2, right? And then go over from 2, 3, 4, 5, and then until the chapter 10, right? If we still have time, we may consider adding the chapter 12 in our course, but maybe not. Maybe it will just end at chapter 10. So this is a very clear PDF, and I think I will upload the PDF on the Blackboard, so you don't have to search for the PDF version on Google yourself, right? So I will upload that on the Blackboard, so you don't have to worry about buying the book or not. Okay. And for the grading part, so we don't have live classes, only the recorded lectures. So we don't have the attendance part, right? So you don't have to force yourself to participate in the live classes. And so for the grading part, we have 3 parts only. First is assignments. I will tell you, and I will make an announcement to all of you that there will be an assignment, and I will make the due date very clearly to every one of you, so you know how to upload your assignments and how to follow the due date. Okay, so there will be about several assignments, and there will be a midterm and a final. So each part, each exam will be 40% of the weight. Okay. And there's no extra credit. Okay, and for the grading, for the grading part also, it says in the previous courses about 1/3 of the students will get A level, And one half will get B level, and the rest of them will get C level. Okay. So this is standard grading method of myself. But if everybody, there's an exemption. So if everybody performs so well, so for example, if everybody's grade is over 90, right? So everybody got very good grades in the midterm and final, so you cannot differentiate them. So if these things happens, then all of you will get A level, right? A or A minus. But this is the only exception. That never happened before. I'm just saying that if everybody get really good grades, then you don't have to worry about receiving a C plus or below. Okay. So if you do have a really high grade, then I will make you A or A minus. Right. So don't worry about the ranking too much. Right. It's just a relative ranking in this class. But if there's a perfect normal distribution, right? So that means if some students got really high grades and some students got really low grades, and most of them get the average or above the average, then if that thing happens, then I will follow this standard, right? 1/3, the top 1/3 get A level, and then 1/2 or the majority of the students will get B level, and the rest of them, the unlucky ones, will get C level. So this is the grade, and you can read this yourself. And this is our course outline. I've already listed here. So the dates here is our usual school time, right? So for example, our course should have been every Tuesday and every Thursday from 11 to 12:15, right? So if everybody goes to school every day, then we should follow the standard usual school time. But now everybody's staying at home, so these dates is just a reference. Okay, just saying this is a week 1, this is a week 2, right? So September 1st is a Tuesday, and this is Thursday, right? So this is just a reference for the Euro school time, but it's just saying that. So this week we have 2 lectures, and I will post 2 lectures on YouTube. I may not post the lectures exactly on that day, okay? But during the week, I will post the 2 lectures. And again, this is a 3rd week, and I'll post 2 lectures on YouTube, but maybe not exactly on these 2 days, okay? So this is just a reference of how everything will go during the semester. But we'll have a midterm at around October 20, but I will make announcements. I will show you, I will let you know how you can submit your midterm and final, okay? So don't worry about that. When I post the lectures, I will make announcements every time on Blackboard, so you know that there's a lectures coming up, and there's assignments you have to do, right? So don't worry about that too much. So this is our tentative outline from chapter 2 to chapter 10. So that's it. This is our syllabus.